Alright, what's good, YouTube? Back again with another video. I guess today's video, I actually got to go on the highway, so I'm just setting up the camera and the microphone and whatnot before I go on. And the tires are already warmed up. I already drove about 5 or 6 miles or something like that, so I already got the tires nice and warm. Right now, I'm just getting ready to roll. Make sure everything is good. Yeah, I think everything is good. I'm not going to talk right now. Once I get up to speed on the highway, I will then start talking. This is actually my first time recording on the highway, so that's going to be very interesting. Only because I like to fully concentrate when on the highway. I do feel that my skill level at this point in time is good enough to be able to talk and ride on the highway, especially at this time of the morning. There's like next to nobody on the highway, and if there is, I will just ride at my skill level and not what everyone thinks I should ride at. So let's go ahead and pull out. Unfortunately, this bloody stop sign is annoying. Car, what you gonna do? Because when it's traffic, holy shit, it is hard to get out of here. Learned my lesson the last time. Well, probably didn't learn my lesson because I'm back here again. But it's early in the morning, so it's not that much traffic. Hallelujah. Oh, look, a car. Wonderful. Car coming. Clear that way. Hey, let's go. Let's get the tires just a little bit heated before going on the highway. I don't want no issues, no slippage. Checking the ramp. Looks good. Oh, would you look at that? I followed through the corner. Second gear. Let's go up. Third gear. Oh, there's a car behind me. God damn it. Fourth gear. Let's go. Fifth gear. Oh, yeah. Let's go sixth. Let's see. I know the speed limit on this highway is 70. Unfortunately, if you guys have seen my speedometer, it is not telling the right speed. Not at all. It's actually off by about 5 miles an hour. Oh, it's a little windy. I think when I checked the weather, it was like about 4 miles an hour, so it's actually not too bad. But yeah, oh yeah, now we're cruising. So anyways, I guess I probably should tell you guys about the time when I first started riding and I first got onto the highway. I think it was about, it had to have been about 4 weeks after I started riding this bike. So it had to be somewhere in April, probably the first weekend of April or the last weekend of March, I'm not too sure, I can't remember all the way through. But I was somewhat parked doing some riding, just some practicing, and I was like, you know what, F it, let me just go onto the highway. So I went into the highway for probably about to the first exit, so it was like exit to exit, so it probably was maybe 3 or 4 miles. And now, mind you guys, just to let you know, I am a truck driver. Being on the highway is like literally second nature to me, and I mean literally second nature. So when I see cars, it does not really scare me. When I see traffic, it does not really scare me. The only thing that scares me is knowing that people are not being able to see me. So at that time, I still had the stock exhaust. The stock exhaust is okay, but it's nowhere near as loud as the single exhaust I got right now. But I was like, no, let me just go ahead and try it. The traffic shouldn't be too traffic should be flowing. So when I first get onto the highway, it's weird being able to, it feels like you're feeling the road. Like you can kind of sort of feel and taste everything. So that was something new I was not really too much expecting. The smell and everything is of course a bit different because you're outside. So that was the only thing I really, well actually no, when I was getting up to speed, a car tried to literally cut in front of me because they didn't see me, and literally at the last second they saw me and they cut back into the lane, and I was like, oh snap. I was like, so this is how it's going to be. So I was like, you know what, I see why people say that you have to be aggressive in driving, like hardcore. At that time I still wasn't really geared towards aggressive driving. Yet I'm slowly working up to it. I still got a long way to go before I get super aggressive. But I started riding, I got up to about 60 or 80 miles an hour. No, actually, I got up to 80. This is when I thought the speedometer was accurate, and it wasn't accurate. So in reality, it was about 75, speed like 65. Got up to speed. Another thing that really bothered the hell out of me was when people saw me, they decided to, oh, hey, let's go ahead and try to catch up to him and pass him. And I was like, this is crazy. Like, you guys literally just saw me, like, I literally just passed the car going about 75. This car decided to pass me back going 85. The car was literally tutting along and then decided to wake up. Oh, I'm going to wake up and I'm going to start rolling. That is annoying. So, from that experience of being on the highway, that first time, I was like, you know what, let me stay off because I don't feel that my skill level's up to this yet, or comfortable being at a higher rate of speed. Like, literally, like, if I was at 60, 65 and everybody else was doing that, I could do the highway at that time, no problem. Now it can go. Oh, perfect timing, see, here comes a car. I saw this car creeping up on me. Now, mind you, I guarantee you this car saw me and was like, oh, let me go. Now that it passed me, as a matter of fact, it just slowed down just a little bit. Not because it passed that car, it just slowed down. The car in front of me actually just picked up speed. Well, hold on. So, what I learned from that experience was, like, moving forward, anytime when I'm on the highway, I would still ride my ride. I'll go my speed limit, but if someone passes me like this guy just did, I'm not going to try to pass him back. There's absolutely no point, because as soon as I start creeping up on him, the SOB is going to try to take off. Only because I creeped up on them, not because they want to ride their ride. That's the psychological thing that that everybody four-wheelers do not understand. Like, for some odd reason, when you're in a car, you will drive your ride until someone passes you, you'll get pissed, and then you will decide to catch up to them, and then you will pass them, because it's like a godlike conflict going on. It's super, super annoying. But people, don't get me wrong, I have that same conflict too. If someone was to pass me, especially on my bike, I do look over at them, stare them down, get pissed as all hell, and I was like, you know what? It isn't even worth it, because I'm going to speed that I want to go, and apparently they want to go to speed anything faster when I'm going. So I'm not even going to bother with it. You know, so, but yeah, this is literally my highway story. I do, like I said in the first video, I've only been riding for about, I think it's 5 months now, almost 5 or a little over 5, I don't know. Whenever March 2nd is till now, that's my skill level of riding. Do you feel pretty comfortable? Oh, but after I was on the highway that first time, I stick strictly to back roads. Didn't really feel too comfortable on highways as much. It's only probably been in the last like month that I've done the most highway riding, because I did have to go meet up with my co-driver for riding, and I was kind of running a little late, so I was like, well, it's early in the morning, I can take the highway, it's not that big of a deal. Lo and behold, the speedometer saying like what it is right now, 80, 82, and passed somebody, I got in front of them, they got pissed, and they decided to pass me going, whatever, probably about 90, 95 miles an hour. And then I kept going at my speed, and then, oh, lo and behold, caught right back up to them. It's super annoying. Super, super annoying. Oh, there's some bikers out there. Oops. Gosh, keep two hands on, right? Yeah, if I had any advice to give to any new riders, just take your time with it. Don't try to rush it. If you really do want to practice highway riding, I would suggest early mornings when there's not a lot of traffic. Definitely toll roads early mornings, for sure, is also really good. Because I'm on a toll road right now, and you see there's like next to no cars and vehicles and all that other stuff. But yeah, I'm actually getting ready to close my exit. I'll probably cut it off there, concentrate on riding. Oh, you know what? Let's actually go to the next exit. But oh, this is perfect. I'm coming off an on-ramp, and here's a truck. Windy Hill. Wonderful truck encounter. Oh, we're coming up to some Florida twisties. Florida twisties. It's passing. I think I'm going to end the video after this because we got some more Florida twisties. Like, this is the most twisties you're going to get in Florida, for real, for real. Alrighty, everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Huge shout out to everybody that has been subscribing, commenting on all these videos. I really do appreciate it. And I even appreciate the ones who are having who they see me. Well, I see you as we're just going through a great fellowship at the moment. So thanks for watching, people. Peace out.